morning, and Jack Shack is going to be literally probably the first wonder of Cold Grove, Ohio. I'm going to start carving shit into the logs here. Got a nice little gable going on. Slats of wood. It's a little mess right now, but I'm going to get her all cleaned up. So we're going to pull all these little pins and stuff and carve some very elaborate things into the walls. Yeah, here we go. Right here we got a little ghost. We're gonna do like a little scary theme for this side. Hold out here. So, real funny story behind these little guys right here. For the grace of God, I've straightened up. But when I was about 19, I tripped a little bit of LSD, and I seen these things everywhere on every fucking thing I looked at. So now whenever I just get a kind of a blank idea, I always end up drawing them, and they're always looking at something, but I never know what it is in particularly. So that's a little story behind those guys. Along pretty good. Jack Shack.